Looking for a new course in nursing and paramedical course? Admissions open at one of the most top colleges in the country. East-West Group of Institutions, Bangalore, recognized by Indian Nursing Council and Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science. Choose your courses on your screen. Hurry up! Limited seats available. For more details, contact the link given below.
Usambuan Menteri Rangbak Jelau Badiru Menteri Badai Kemi Yakatana Transport Uba Asnyau Bahalang Dhar Ula Pentip Baka Sarkar Jela kan sedang manai lisen no yakinong Kamai ar Shaka Pynbiang deki company baginong Kamai Shimet Hapoh ar Taïew banwan Haga ar pulai tarik ujilio arja ar penrio haba kren cikilat pathai kubor Uba Asnyau Bahalang uloong bagajing ai lisen yakinong Kamai ar Shaka kan sedang hadian kajing elang kabalabu banlong Haga Taïew banwan Ulai thu bak sarkar jela kala shimi kini ke sen jaman Pynbiang bat Pynlong rinti ekrukam Kamai jangkinong Kamai ar Shaka Hapoh ke jela ula ong ru ki license on sa ai ka sarkar jela tang ye kitu kinong apply ki bala ban Pynbiang lut ya baro ki kot kisla badan kam kat kum ki kendon an balabo ula kin turu ya baro ki bak Kamai ar Shaka la ki re Pynbiang da ki company ni ki bak Kamai marwe makin pen kre bat Pynbiang no ki kot kisla badan kam khnang bag jingyo license kan long ka basuk bat ka bayat bet kat kum kaan.
No problem. I already told my officer we'll be having meeting next week or maybe after 10 days or 2 weeks. We will give license to everybody who wants.
That is
Whether individual or whoever, if the document is in order.
that is from state.
Yeah, from
license.
state license. No issue.
How many roads are operating any ID?
No idea because so many of them are, some of them are legal, some of them are illegal. That is no exactly very. But we are already decided we will give you help them. Why not?
But the Rapido app actually is
Everything I'm going to put them in place so that you see, for example, we may give them license accordingly as per the application, but we will regulate them in such a manner so that the stakeholder will not loss. They cannot put rate whatever they want. They have to put symbol or logo so people will know this is official Rapido or something. We have planned accordingly.
But the government will take action on those who do.
Obviously. I already strengthened my officer on the field to take action those who are moving illegally on the road. Information is being collected. Not the animal.
And how many of them have got clearance now?
That's why we are yet implementing fully. Only then I'll be able to tell you how many of them have been issued license.
But everything will be made in order by July.
I'm trying at the earliest possible. It's better. We'll get revenue also from them. And our youth will get job also. No?
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ai ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pindon kam daki mar bam modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya